Good afternoon, Sarah. How can I help you and the little princess today?
Oh, hello, Dr. Kevin. My poor baby has a bad sore throat since this morning. She can hardly swallow her favorite milk.
Oh no, that is too bad. Let me see. Did she wear warm clothes when going outside yesterday?
Yes, doctor, I always dress her very carefully. She wore a thick jacket and a scarf.
I see. That is very good, Mom. Did she eat any ice cream recently?
No, not at all, doctor. I do not let her eat cold food in winter.
Okay, let me think. Was she in the cold weather for too long?
No, we just walked from the car to the house. It only took 2 minutes, I'm sure.
That is interesting.
I know. I'm so worried. My baby is sick, and I don't know why.
It's totally normal, Mom. Kids get sick all the time. Now, is there anything going on at her class?
At her class, huh?
Yes. Did they go somewhere or meet anyone new?
Oh my, I knew it. Lily told me a story last night. She said her classmate wore a mask and coughed a lot.
Yes, I see now. Children love to share toys and get close. This is very common when they go to school.
Oh dear, is it dangerous for my baby?
Don't worry, Mom. It is a normal part of growing up. They contact the community and build immunity.
I am so relieved to hear that.
Now, please hold her gently. I will examine her throat now.
All right, you take a seat and let me check his temperature right now, Mom. Oh, please do it quickly, doctor. His small body feels very hot right now. Oh my, the machine says 39 degrees. This is a really high fever, Mom. I need to ask you some questions. First, when did this high fever start? It started last night around 10 o'clock. He suddenly woke up and cried a lot. I see. How long did it last? Did the heat go away at all? No, it lasted for about 5 hours straight. It did not go down, I'm sure. That is a long time. Did you use a thermometer at home? Yes, I checked his temperature 3 times. I always keep a good thermometer at home. That is very smart of you, Mom. What was the highest degree last night? The highest degree was 39.5. I was so scared, my hands shook. Do not worry, you did the right thing. So far, did you give him any medicine yet? No, I did not give him any pills. I wanted to ask for your advice first. Wow, you have an amazing memory, Mary. Remembering the exact details helps me track the illness. Of course, I'm always paying attention. Oh, my poor Tommy. Don't be too hard on yourself. You did a great job. Tracking symptoms is the best way to help him. Now, I will start the physical examination immediately. Thank you so much, doctor. I'm ready.
Hello there, little man. Please hop up on this bed. I will pull this blue curtain for some privacy.
Hello, doctor. My tummy hurts so bad. I am so scared.
Do not worry, buddy. Let us find out together right now. When did this stomach ache start exactly?
It started right after breakfast, around 8 o'clock. I cried and held my stomach tightly.
I see. Does it hurt a lot or a little right now? We need to know the amount of pain.
I cried very loudly at first, so it hurt a lot. Now it just hurts a little.
Okay, now I need to press on your tummy. We must know the type of pain. Is it a sharp pain or a dull pain?
What is the difference, doctor?
A sharp pain feels like a little bee sting. It comes quickly and hurts severely.
Oh, it's not like that.
A dull pain is like a sleeping bear inside your tummy. It stays for a long time but hurts less.
Wow, a sleeping bear. That's it. My tummy feels like a sleeping bear inside me right now, doctor.
Haha, wonderful, champ. So it is a dull pain, not sharp. That is a very good sign, Bobby.
Oh, I am so happy to hear that, doctor.
Haha, wonderful, champ. Does the bear sleep all the time, or does it come in waves?
It sleeps all the time, doctor. The bear does not wake up at all.
I see. So it is a constant dull pain. Now, where is this bear sleeping exactly?
In my tummy, doctor.
Is it in the upper part? Is it in the lower part? or is it in the middle?
It is right here in the middle, doctor. It is right around my belly button.
Perfect. Thank you for telling me. Now I will continue to check your tummy carefully. Just stay still, buddy.
Hello there, sweetie. Is little Sansa not feeling well today?
Hello, doctor. My head hurts like a tiny drum inside. I also feel a bit dizzy when I stand up.
Oh dear, that is tough. Did you study too much at school today?
No, not at all, doctor. It is the weekend, so I only played.
I see. Did you eat any strange food?
No, I only ate my yummy dinner.
Or did you have a bad fall on the playground?
I did not fall down at all. I am always careful.
Okay, let me think. Do you watch a lot of television at home?
No, I do not watch television. Oh, I do. Oh, never mind.
What is it, Sansa? You can tell me anything.
Well, do you promise not to scold me?
I will not, and your mom will not scold you either. Now, tell me your secret, little one.
I secretly used my mommy's iPad for 2 whole hours last night because she was very busy cooking dinner.
Ah, I knew it. Too much screen time is not good for little eyes.
Really?
A lot of people feel sleepy and tired after looking at the blue light for long. This always causes a bad headache.
Oh no, I am so sorry. I promise to be a good girl now. I will not do it again, doctor.
Wonderful. Thank you for telling me the truth. Now, I will start the examination, okay?
All right, Mary, I reviewed all 9 symptoms on my computer. Good news, your sweet Susie only has a mild illness.
Oh, thank goodness. I am so happy to hear that. I was so worried about her all day.
It is just a common virus, Mom. She just needs to take medicine and rest well.
I understand, doctor. How should she take medicine at home?
I will give you some medicine. Take 2 pills after each meal.
Take 2 pills after each meal. I will remember that carefully. What is the name of the medicine, doctor?
I will write it down on paper. You can buy it downstairs very easily.
Oh, that is wonderful. Thank you. Should she eat or drink anything else?
Yes, she needs to drink electrolyte water. Please give her some fresh fruits, too.
Okay, I will buy the fruits today.
Come back after 1 week for a follow-up. Is there anything else you want to ask?
Nothing for now. Thank you so much for your help. Goodbye, doctor, and have a nice day.
Goodbye, Mary, and get well soon, Susie.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now we have a fun quiz for you. Please comment below and tell us, have you gotten sick lately? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.